Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this portable monitor from ARZOPA. I've done a couple reviews on the ARZOPA main monitors, like their 4K monitor and their 27-inch monitor, but this is a portable monitor, quad HD and 180 FPS. So we're gonna check it out and see, is it the best portable monitor on Amazon? Let's get into it. So right off the bat, let's just do a quick unboxing here to see what comes in the box for you guys. In here, we're gonna have a nice little carrying case, and this is pretty dang high quality. I have another one of these ARZOPA portables, and it comes with the same case. Very, very soft. It's got nice felt insert, and you do have a little divider here, so you could put some cables and stuff on one side and the monitor on the other, and that is what I actually do. So let's continue on here. Shortly, we'll do a test to see what the picture quality looks like. Right here, we have the monitor itself. Let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. Nice little ARZOPA sticker on there that we can go ahead and peel off. Okay. Now, the nice thing about ARZOPA monitors is that it's got this kickstand right here on the back that's super easy to adjust to whatever height that you want. So I really like to see that. Now, continuing through here, instruction manual, a warranty card, and then a couple different cables here. A very nice braided USB-C. This is the data cable if you're just going to a laptop. And then they also include this pretty sweet right angle, or actually, I guess this would be like a 180-degree USB-C plug, so it doesn't get knocked or anything or stick out super far from the monitor. This is the same kind of braided, nice quality there. And then lastly, we've got a HDMI cable that goes to a mini HDMI cable, because that's the ports that are on this monitor. So taking a quick look at that, we've got a little speaker right here. On this side, we've got a couple different ports. We've got our two USB-Cs, an HDMI, a mini HDMI, and then a volume right here, and on-screen display and all that. So very slim design here that you can also adjust the height that easy. That's my favorite mechanism for the stand that I've seen on any of these. Let's go ahead and test this thing out. So right here, I've got a 4K video playing on my phone right here, or on my computer, and we're gonna go ahead and plug this USB-C cable into the ARZOPA monitor just to show you guys how absolutely easy it is to hook this thing up. I am gonna use the little 180 plug because that's pretty cool. And I just plug this in to my USB-C port on my laptop. I can run this cable behind, and then very cool here, actually it's on this side, this right angle plug, boom, look, it barely sticks out at all. And now our ARZOPA monitor is up and running. Let's go ahead and get a close-up look at what the picture quality looks like compared to the laptop right here. So here we go. Give you a close-up look of just how good that picture is. So this is not totally 4K, but it is quad HD, so like 1440p, and it is plenty good. You're getting, this is a 1080p over here, so this monitor is getting well over double the amount of pixels on it in about the same size here. So you can see the difference between the two. This one definitely looks more crisp, and you're getting that 180 FPS with it. So this monitor is going to be very good for gaming, whereas my laptop screen does not go near that high, so you're going to be getting much quicker FPS to be able to game better. So if you have like a handheld console or something, then this would be perfect for traveling where you really want to keep up your game. So check it out, guys. A very cool monitor from ARZOPA.